Hi Kanil, I hope you're doing well. And in this video, I'm going to be answering the questions you sent me for interview via email. So your very first question was, tell me about yourself and what are you passionate about? So I'm Surbhi Jha, currently pursuing economics major and a minor in political science from Lady Shri Ram College for Women, Delhi University. Apart from the academics, I'm also involved in various clubs and societies in college, few of them being Books and Documentary Review Club, the Econvis Club, which primarily focuses on training students for various competitions, and I'm also a part of the Model UN Society of College as a logistics associate. I love to take part in MUNs because of two reasons. A, they provide great networking opportunity with a huge talent across the country. And B, they are a forum of very meaningful discussions and political discussions and social discussions, economic discussions, and it also improvises the diplomacy in you. So that is why I love to participate in them. And currently, as you know, summer vacations are going on, so I am interning with two startups. So in one of them, it is in food and beverage industry, and I am working as a chief of staff in that. So being in such an eminent position also exposes me to various dynamics of corporate setting, including sales, marketing, strategic consulting, and business development. And the other one is a buzzing social media platform which is exclusively a safe and inclusive space for Gen Z people. So there I have started a YouTube series where I actually interview students from tier 1 colleges and put them in a video podcast format on YouTube channel of Maphood, which is the name of the social media platform. So this is what my professional and academic sphere looks like. Your next question was, what am I passionate about? So recently, me along with my MUN team went to an NGO to teach the middle schoolers about the rules and procedures of MUN. And you won't believe, Kanil, after when we taught them, the look of gratitude and happiness on their face was unmatchable, and it is something I will cherish forever, because that is what gives me drive and motivation. And I remembered all the time in my high school and in my middle school, even my junior school, I used to teach my classmates various concepts of science, maths, English, whatever. And when I taught them, the look of gratitude on their face was the motivating drive for me. So from there, I think I got this passion for public speaking and teaching, and hence I started doing Model United Nations as well. So this is something I'm passionate about. Your next question was, tell me about a time when you faced a challenging problem and had to make a key decision, and what was the outcome? Okay. So life has been full of ups and downs, to be honest. But if I had to pick that one incident which has a significant impact on my life, will be the time when I was giving my school leaving examinations, which we call as board examinations. So I was a science with mathematics student, and in India it is kind of unsaid rule that if you are a science student, you have to do engineering. But by the end of my high school, I was very clear that I want to pursue economics as my major. So this was very clear in my mind, and to pursue economics I had to give CUET examinations, and JEE was the engineering examinations. So I convinced my parents about this change of stream, change of trajectory. So it was really difficult to convince everyone about this change of path, because I was also not very sure, not very confident of it. It was just my passion that was telling me to choose economics. Then I gave JEE exam as well, and it was a condition for me. I was given a list of 5 colleges which were the best colleges for economics in country, and I was told, if you get into any of these colleges, you can pursue economics, but if not, then you will have to do engineering. So I just started preparing for both the examinations, the JEE as well as CUET. So my JEE examination was in April and CUET was in May. Immediately after my JEE, I started preparing for CUET. But in the meanwhile, what happened, the result for JEE was announced and I could not clear the cutoff. It was a really demotivating incident for me because you have such an important exam ahead of you and you get a result that you have failed the exam. So it creates a sense of self-doubt in yourself. But anyways, I was very determined to get into a good college and my parents were also supportive eventually. They helped me throughout the entire application process into college. And then came the result day and I got into the college which was at the top of that list, Lady Shri Ram College for Women, which is one of the best institute for studying economics. So that day, me and my family were at the top of the world. So yes, this is, and what outcome I learned from here was never try to fit yourself in society's standard by giving up on your dream. I had this passion for economics and I fight for it, and I landed at a good place in a very good college. And the next thing I would like to say is whatever happens, happens for a reason. Because if I would have qualified JEE, I might not be here pursuing economics. So these are the two outcomes. Your next question was, what are the top 3 words you would like to describe yourself and why? The top 3 words I would use is, first one is ambitious. I am ambitious because I do anything if I'm passionate about it. And if I'm passionate about it, I'll put my heart, soul and full dedication into it. And I must say that landing into such a competitive college has also accelerated this ambitious Surbhi in me. So yes, this is one of the things. And next would be impulsive. Now this might not be in my favor, but yes, I am impulsive because I react very dramatically to some situations at first. If I get a sad news, I'll be very, very sad. If I get a happy news, I'll be so happy that I'll be dancing and screaming, laughing. So it takes me a rebound time of 5-10 minutes to get back to normal mood. But this is how I react to any situation. But yeah, in a professional setting, whenever I go to professional sphere, I'm really in a calm and solution oriented mind. This impulsiveness is generally in my personal sphere. So next word would be, I'm a team player. Yes, being in different clubs, societies and corporate experience has helped me realize that I'm a really good team player as well as a good leader. So I can really work in high pressure situations and can take my whole team, incorporate everyone's opinion. So I feel that is what describes my personality. Your next question was, what is something you like for fun? Now this question is my favorite question, but for me fun is a whole range. It is not a particular thing. So generally I'm an extrovert and outgoing person, so I like to travel and explore new places, attend fairs, go to parties and concerts, and do jamming session at the top of your voice and dance like nobody is watching. But sometimes also when my social battery is not fully charged, I will also be very much happy if I can just have a blanket, a cup of hot coffee and my favorite movie or my favorite book. I will be so happy and it will be also fun for me. So it all depends on the mood and the situation I am in. Why are you interested in participating in this conference, Asian conference? This time the theme of HPAIR is reimagining connectivity and building the bridges in a globalized society, and that is the exact reason why I want to attend this, because I want to meet the brilliant delegates from around the world and get to know about their experiences, about their culture, about their views of the world and different situations happening. So I'm also very, very excited about the speaker sessions because and especially about Nidhi Pant, because one, she's an Indian woman, and two, she is doing a tremendous job at the intersection of finance, agriculture, energy, accessibility, and financial inclusion. So both the things are the reason why I'm looking forward to this conference. And a question for you would be, when did you join HPAIR? What was your motivation, and how has your experience been so far? Thank you.